Chin-ups. For a chin-up, you will adopt an underhand grip of the bar. Choose a bar that you can hang freely from, preferably. This will allow you to lock the hips out by squeezing the butt, keep the chest up proud, pull the shoulder blades back together throughout the movement, and visualise pulling the bar down to your chest. Keep the movement under control at all times. Bodyweight pull-ups and chin-up variations are very difficult and require a good bit of strength that you may not have if you're just starting out. If that's the case, simply choose a resistance band. The thicker, the easier the exercise will become. Attach it to the bar as shown. Hook it round the knee and ensure you push the knee down and lock the hips out by pushing the butt forward throughout the movement. All the same fundamentals of a pull-up or chin-up apply. The band will assist you on this exercise. As you get stronger, decrease the resistance band until eventually you can phase it out and you have the strength to complete the exercise bodyweight.